Hi guys, welcome back. I want to give a big shout out to everybody who gave me so much love and support on the first video. So today I'm going to show you how to do a simple dish that tastes like it comes out of a restaurant, but you can do it yourself at home. It's the white sauce chicken pasta. I'm Chef Nicole and you are cooking with Nick.
First, put water in a nice large pan to make sure that the pasta has enough room to cook evenly. Add some salt to the water and a good splash of olive oil. This is to make sure that the pasta doesn't stick together. Now this is a rolling boil and it keeps the pasta from clumping together. Go ahead and add in your pasta and cook for about 12 minutes or until you can feel that it's cooked. After about 12 minutes, test it. You can feel it's still firm, and that is al dente. Time to strain out your pasta. It goes into a colander. Drain the pasta of all the water. Add a little salt and pepper. And a splash of olive oil. So here I've got some boneless chicken that I've cut into little strips so that it will cook easily and you won't have to worry about uncooked chicken in your pasta. By the time your pasta is done, you will have perfectly cooked chicken. Pan on, and we have 1 tablespoon of butter and a teaspoon of chopped garlic. Next we add in the chicken slices and cook that for 1 minute. Next we add in 1 tablespoon of flour and make sure that you cook that well to get rid of that raw pasty flavor. Now we are adding in 150 ml of milk. A good tip is to use really cold milk. This will stop the sauce from getting lumpy. Add a little salt and pepper. Now we have 50 grams of cheddar cheese. This will give it that beautiful flavor that we love. Now we add in freshly boiled corn kernels and some green peas. Stir in your boiled pasta until all of it is coated with that beautiful creamy sauce.
Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. Make sure you give it a like, share it and subscribe for more awesome videos. Also click the bell icon to keep you updated. I'll see you on the flip side.